The people are fighting him. He's mainly the Seneta because he wants to be Gavana. And the two other people whom I pitched last elections, and they want to step on me so that they can now win elections. I asked them to use the truth, only the truth can stand. Thank you so much. Put somebody there as a youth who will be in charge of the youth, or we take it to another department. This is what we are working out. Soon, rather than later. You also said, when you want something, you want it now, not be told it at time. I've explained to you the constants of finances. You can't do everything at the same time. All of that. I think those are the main issues you raised, and I can assure you, aside from is a people of Nyamira, your money will be safeguarded. And the major people are fighting me. He's mainly the Seneta because he wants to be Gavana. And the two other people whom I pitched last elections, and they want to step on me so that they can now win elections. I asked them to use the truth, only the truth can stand.